Wow, I learned a lot. Greta has done so much to help teach people about environmental issues. She is so brave.
Yes, even young people can change the world.
Next, we have some students from Miss Jordan's and Miss Pavlakis' classes sharing some haikus they wrote for her today.
Up trash on earth. Recycle the trash on earth. Please don't litter up. Celebrate the earth.
Work together to clean up.
Believe in the earth. Pick up trash.
I throw away my trash.
Clean up the earth.
Fish swim in water. Their ooze provides food for fish. Their ooze gives fish life.
Do not leave litter. Pick up trash on the ground here. Reuse, reduce things.
The earth is breathing, swelling ocean waves rising, birds soaring sky high.
Take care of the earth. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Respect it, help it. Earth Day is coming very, very soon. I am super excited. The earth is breathing, so let's take care of our hands. Happy Earth Day.
Cleaning the planet.
The world is beautiful.
We respect the earth.